If you're on the hunt for the best rocket stoves of 2024, you're in the right place. After testing countless models, we've narrowed it down to the top 5 that truly stand out in terms of efficiency, portability, and ease of use. Whether you're planning a camping trip or just want a reliable backup for your home, these rocket stoves are game changers. So, if you're eager to find out which one suits your needs best, stick around until the end. Remember, the products are not in any specific order, so make sure to watch the whole video to catch all the details. And don't forget, all the links to find the best deals are in the description. Let's begin. Alright, let's check out the Fitinhot Portable Wood Rocket Stove. This one's pretty cool. If you're into outdoor cooking, you know how sometimes you're not sure what fuel you'll have on your camping trip. Well, this stove's got you covered. It can handle wood, twigs, charcoal, and even solid biomass fuel. That's super handy when you're out in the middle of nowhere. Now, let's talk efficiency. This stove's got a fancy vertical combustion chamber and some fireproof wool filling. What does that mean for you? Basically, you get more heat without burning through all your fuel. Trust me, when you're out there, the last thing you want is to run out of fuel before your meal's done. The design's pretty thoughtful too. They've added these stainless steel handles with silicone grips, so you can move it around even when it's hot. And there's this drawer-type ASH tray that makes cleaning a breeze. It's those little things that make a difference when you're juggling a million tasks outdoors. Durability-wise, this stove's built like a tank. Stainless steel combustion chamber, heat-resistant coating. It can take a beating, whether you're hiking, recreational vehicle energy, or prepping for emergencies. It's got your back. Just remember, it's for outdoor use only, unless you've got a proper chimney setup. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some folks have had issues with the gas connection, which is definitely something to watch out for. Make sure everything's tight before you fire it up. On the plus side, their customer service seems pretty on top of things if you do run into problems. All in all, the Fitinhot Portable Wood Rocket Stove is a solid choice. If you're after something efficient, versatile, and tough, it's not perfect, but it gets the job done. If you want to know more, there's a link in the description where you can check it out yourself. Let's dive into the Onlyfire Camp Rocket Stove. If you're fed up with hauling heavy cooking equipment on your camping adventures, this stove could be the solution. It features a nifty 3-in-1 compact design with a handle, making it incredibly portable. Whether you want to grill, boil, or FRY, this stove has got you covered, which is super convenient when you're out in nature. What really stands out is the fuel chamber, crafted from rust-resistant carbon steel. It's built to last. There's a sliding door at the base that helps focus the flame and simplifies cleanup. You can have this stove ready to go in about 5 minutes, which is perfect when you're famished after a long trek. Another great feature is its fuel versatility. You can use wood, twigs, and pine cones, which is not only eco-friendly, but also cost-effective since you won't need to purchase special fuel. Ideal for those who practice a leave-no-trace philosophy while outdoors. However, it's not without its drawbacks. Some users have noted that it's somewhat heavy, so if you're mindful of every ounce in your backpack, this might be a consideration. Additionally, there's an initial unpleasant odor from the factory paint that needs to be burned OFF before cooking, which can be a bit of a nuisance. The griddle is excellent for cooking, but it does get extremely hot. Adding some handles would make it easier to maneuver when you're in the middle of preparing a meal. Overall, the Onlyfire Camp Rocket Stove is a dependable choice for camping enthusiasts or those seeking a reliable option for emergencies. While it's not the cheapest model available, you're investing in quality and versatility. If you're interested in learning more, there's a link in the description where you can explore it further. Let's take a look at the Takazij Folding Camp Stove, made of stainless steel. If you've ever found yourself wrestling with cumbersome cooking equipment while camping, this might be the solution you need. Imagine being out in the wilderness and needing a quick, lightweight cooking option. That's where this stove shines. What really makes this stove stand out is its portability. Weighing in at just under 2 pounds, it's incredibly easy to carry. It folds down to a compact size, ensuring it won't dominate your backpack space. If you've ever played the packing game with your camping gear, you'll definitely appreciate this feature. Now, let's talk about its performance. Despite its small size, this stove delivers impressive heat. It heats up quickly and maintains a steady temperature, making it ideal for efficient cooking. Whether you're boiling water for your morning brew or grilling some sausages, it handles the task with ease. The stainless steel construction ensures it withstands the elements without rusting or breaking down. A great feature is that it arrives ready to use, straight out of the box. There's no need to assemble parts or decipher complex instructions. Plus, it includes a carry bag, which is a nice touch for keeping everything organized. However, it's not without its flaws. Some users have reported a strong odor from the protective film when first unpacked. Be sure to clean it thoroughly before your first use. Additionally, the grill doesn't lock in place, so it might shift a bit during cooking. It's a minor issue, but something to be aware of. For its price, this stove offers solid value. It's dependable, durable, and efficient for outdoor cooking, making it a worthy addition to your camping gear. While it has a few quirks, its overall performance and convenience make it a compelling choice. There's also an additional feature worth checking out, so be sure to click the link in the description for more details. Let's dive into the portable wood-burning rocket stove by Yumbeam. Ever been out camping or faced a power outage and found cooking to be a hassle? This stove is your solution. Its innovative rocket stove design ensures efficient fuel use and minimizes smoke, making it impressive how a small bundle of twigs can quickly boil water or cook a meal. What really stands out is its robustness. This stove is built to withstand tough outdoor conditions, which is perfect for those adventurous trips. The stove top features a sturdy 6-pronged cast iron design, accommodating various pots and pans. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or simmering a stew, this stove has you covered. One of the best aspects of this stove is its adaptability. It can burn wood, branches, and even pine cones, making it ideal for OFF grid living or enjoying the great outdoors. Plus, it's fairly portable, weighing around 4.5 kilograms and coming with a weather-resistant canvas bag. However, if you're planning an extended hike, the weight might become notable over time. There are a few downsides. The soot it leaves on cookware can be a bit of a nuisance to clean, but considering its efficiency and low smoke output, a little extra cleaning seems a fair trade OFF. In terms of cost, it's a bit pricier than typical camping stoves. Yet, the quality and performance make it a worthy investment. It also features heat-resistant handles and is user-friendly, so even beginners can handle it with ease. In summary, the Yumbeam portable wood-burning rocket stove is a reliable choice for outdoor cooking or emergency preparedness. Its efficiency, durability, and ease of use make it one of the top camping stoves I've encountered. If you're interested in exploring this product further, there's a link in the description below. Let's dive into the Vire Mini Folding Rocket Stove, a nifty little gadget that's been turning heads among outdoor lovers. If you've ever struggled with bulky stoves that eat up all your backpack space, this might be the solution you've been looking for. There's one feature that really stands out. The stove's portability is truly remarkable, weighing in at just 3 pounds. It's a cinch to carry whether you're tackling a mountain trail or just heading out for a weekend camping trip. Its folding design isn't just for aesthetics, it genuinely simplifies packing. Imagine having a stove that effortlessly fits into your backpack without any hassle. But there's another aspect that's pretty intriguing for those who cherish the environment. This stove operates on natural materials you can find around you, twigs, pine cones, and the like. It's quite satisfying to cook your meals without the need to haul fuel or worry about your environmental impact. When it comes to performance, the Vire Mini is quite capable. Its 2-leg design ensures stability even on uneven surfaces, and the angled construction promotes efficient burning. This means less time tending to the fire and more time relaxing. However, there's a cautionary note to consider. The metal can become extremely hot, so it's important to avoid burns. While it's constructed from durable stainless steel, some might find it a tad heavy for extended hikes. If you're a fan of ultralight backpacking, you might want to consider a titanium option. And there's another point to bear in mind. If you're new to rocket stoves, there might be a learning curve to getting it started, but once you get the hang of it, it's quite straightforward. Overall, the Vire Mini Folding Rocket Stove offers great value for your money. It's dependable for outdoor escapades, emergency situations, or simply cooking in a more eco-friendly manner. If you're interested in exploring it further, there's a link in the description with more information.